I'm Nigel Cryer. I'm the owner and practice manager of All Clear, a dental practice inside the Whitgift Centre in Croydon. We have, I think, a virtual monopoly on dentistry in Croydon between lunchtime on a Saturday and Monday morning. So they come to us, primarily in the week for convenience, on a Saturday because the choices for people to get dental care anywhere else on a Saturday are very limited, and on a Sunday because they've got a raging toothache that they need fixing. I think if we're actually turning round to them and saying, well, we're going to have to send you somewhere else, so as a patient you will no longer, for the purposes of this treatment, you'll no longer be ours, not being able to control what the patient's paying, they may end up being referred out to a practice with a very different pricing strategy to ours. I would imagine that they would feel perhaps disappointed at best and at worst probably quite dissatisfied. We learnt about VSS because Anita, the practice principal, my wife, knew Fadi in a previous practice. When we started here, she actually called him and said, this is what we're doing, is there any chance of working together? And he came over to see us, explained how his particular service operated, and it seemed from our point of view to have a high, for want of a better word, strategic fit with what we were trying to do.
Fadi is a very approachable chap, and any questions we've got, we don't get looked down at, and he gives all the answers, and it's fascinating watching him work. And as I said, I can either phone him or even when he's here, ask him any question, can be silly or not silly, and he gives all the really good answers to it, and that is absolutely great working with him.
It brought oral surgery and those elements of treatment in-house. We could see the fit between the way VSS did things and the way that we did things, particularly in terms of patient pricing, and the whole way that VSS becomes, or the practitioner of VSS becomes an associate of the practice. They've broadened our treatment range quite considerably. We've gone from perhaps a very limited general dental range through VSS to a practice that can fundamentally offer implants, can do oral surgery on the premises rather than, as we were doing previously, having to refer it out. It's enabled us to accept a far wider range of treatment than we were able to do previously, which obviously then has a positive impact on the bottom line.